Hey guys, welcome back. So, in today's video, this is like a wash style type of video. I did just take out the sew-in that I had in, so I'm just detangling my hair before I wash it, which is highly important. Whenever you take out any kind of braids or protective styling, you want to make sure you detangle your hair before you wash it, or else you'll be left with like knots in your hair. Never happened to me, but I have seen it on someone else. So very important. Get all that shed hair out your hair. So in this video, I am using the Adwa shampoo and conditioner that I got from Sephora. Absolutely love this shampoo and conditioner. It's the blue tansy. I do 2 washes and then I'll condition and let the conditioner sit for like 5 minutes. We washed our hair. I feel like this is going to be a 2-day process because I don't want to just straighten my hair. I want to do something. So maybe I'll wand it. Because I haven't done wand curls in a while and I just don't want boring straight hair. So we're all washed and conditioned and I really like that shampoo and conditioner. It's like my hair is really soft. So that's a good thing. So as a heat protectant, I'm going to use the IGK Good Behavior 4-in-1 Prep Spray. I showed you guys this in like a Sephora haul a while ago, but it's like a heat protectant, detangler, add shine, all that good stuff. So we're going to spray this on my hair. Yeah, like so. Make sure we get the color patch. Okay. So this is my hair all blown out, thick and fluffy. Okay, so I'm about to straighten my hair just a little bit because I don't want my wand curls to be like really big like they normally are. So maybe I'll just like do like a quick one pass. But I'm going to use my Betterlength clip-ins and I need to wash them. So yeah, I have Kinky straight 20-inch and I got mine in the color jet black because I think my hair is still black. So yeah, I'm going to wash these really quickly and blow dry them because you guys know I have to wash any hair I put in my hair before I put it in. So yeah, I want a little extra length for my wand curls. So yeah, I'm going to put these clip-ins in. So I'm just going to wash them and blow dry them really quickly and then straighten my hair really quickly. And then I'll be back when I'm actually doing the wand curls. So I didn't show you guys me straightening my hair only because you've seen me do it like a bunch of times. So all the clip-ins are in. And I didn't show y'all how I put the clip-ins in only because I've done this like a million times and the placement is always a little different. So I just clipped them in and when I got to the top, I just put them going this way so I don't have a part. So I'm just like, you know, switch, you know, from side to side. I just feel like I just gonna give the little middle a rest because my middle part is tired, okay? My edges is tired too, but my middle part is tired. So when I do take the clip-ins out, I'll just, you know, wear my hair regular. But I did use all of the clip-ins except for one, so I have one left. And as for the wand curls, I'm using the second from the smallest wand. for my edges. I'm just gonna curl them with a flat iron and like swoop them with some edge control just to add a little oomph to the style. Okay, we're all done. This is the final look. I like it. I kind of wish I would have used the smaller curling one because I used this one. I did want the curls to be just a little tighter because these are going to drop, but it's still cute. Something different, not that boring straight hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Also, I'll have a link for the clip-ins that I used in this video for you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.